Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USDJPY in front of us right now, and as we all know, USDJPY is the talk of the town because of this huge up move. If you are an active trader in the forex market, you know it very well that USDJPY is a very strong uptrend for last couple of days, and the strong uptrend is still there in the market. Many of us have already short the market, and we are in huge loss because those who have taken a short trade sell order on USDJPY, you are in loss right now because you have violated the basic rule of the market, the thumb rule of the market, and the rule is trend is your friend. As I always say, as I have already said in hundreds and hundreds of my videos, that my dear friend, always follow the trend. And in this strong uptrend market, if you have taken a sell order, then you are in loss right now. And if you go to forex sentiment meter here, see this is the forex sentiment meter, and see 90%, more than 90% retail traders have taken short position, only 9% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because whenever market goes up, we assume that, oh, market has reached the top, it is time to short the market will fall now, market will reverse. My dear friends, it is a very hard fact that traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. Traders, the institutions, the banks, they decide the direction of the market, and they have got millions and millions of dollars, and with their huge money, they take the market upward or take the market downward. With our account balance of $200, $300, how can we assume that market has reached the top? We do not have the authority to judge the market. The only way to earn money from the market is to follow the footprints of the big boys, the big players. And here 90% retail traders are in loss right now because they have failed to follow the trend of the market, because they have assumed that market has reached the top, and they have lost it. See, in a market condition like this, whenever you see market being so much bullish, okay, you should not, first of all, you should not short the market. And in a market condition like this, the only trading opportunity is to wait for the market to consolidate. And here right now you can see market is trading at 111.28. Suppose if you buy here, okay, listen to me carefully, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be below this level, so you're taking a too much risk. So this is not the ideal place, and shorting the market is out of the question because you will be going against the trend of the market. See, at one point of time, definitely market will be coming down, but by the time your capital will be wiped out. So do not go against the trend of the market. And in this case, in this kind of market scenario, the only trading opportunity is to buy. Okay, buy at support here. At this point of time, the only trading opportunity is to go for buy at 110.80 level. When market will be coming down to consolidate, or when market will take rest, will come down little bit, then you can go for buy at 110.80 level or 110.90 level. This is your entry level, but right now this is not the entry level. And if I take help out of Fibonacci here, then Fibonacci is also giving me the same level of 110.80. Therefore, my dear friend, do not enter right now, and if you have already short the market, then you have done a very big mistake. If you are looking for a fresh position on USDJPY, then 110.80 is the only buying level for me right now. And honestly speaking, I do not prefer to take much risk, and because see, I have been trading for more than 8 years, and I have lost many things, many. I have blown my accounts uncountable number of times, and I have learned few things. And one of the thing is that you should be a disciplined trader. So my discipline says I will just enter into the market when USDJPY will come down to this level and bounce. That's it. And you should do the same. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.